how to log into your Credit One bank account. If you want to see your credit card info in your Credit One bank account, first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser and then search for Credit One bank login. Once you search for it, the official website for creditonebank.com pops up in the very first. So what you're gonna do is click on the first link. This will directly take you to your sign-in portal. As you can see, you can directly sign in from here, and what you want to do is enter your username and your password. And if you want the browser to remember your sign-in details, just tap on this box and directly click on this secure sign-in. This will take you to your home page of your Credit One bank account, and you can see your credit card info from there. But if you forgot your username or your password, you can recover it from here. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.